Hey folks, CA Rachana Ranade here. Today we are going to talk about ABCs of slow claps. Editing team, just listen to the whole point. Na? ABCs of capital markets. We are going to talk about an AMC stock, which is HDFC AMC. We are going to talk about B, that is Bombay Stock Exchange Limited stock, and C, we are going to talk about CAMS. Now, what is all in these stocks? Is it a stock tip? Obviously, answer is no. There are some interesting news or there are some interesting technical patterns or analysis that I would want to share with you. So if you want to know the answers, check out the video till the end. Now I'm sure you might be wondering as to why have I taken this capital market theme, anything specific that I found out in this theme. So for that, let's prepare an index first of our ABC. So we're going to prepare our ABC index. How can we do that? Let's say first we talk about HDFC. So I'm just going to start here. HDFC AMC. Okay, so this is the company. Plus what? Second one, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, plus CAMS, right? I think this hasn't come up. Let's do HDFC AMC one more time. So let's take it here. Plus HDFC AMC. All right, and then I press enter. Now, when I press enter, we would have created our ABC index, which includes three components: HDFC AMC, BSE, and CAMS. Okay. Now, if I press enter, that's what you're seeing right now. Okay. Can we see? This is, by the way, a daily candlestick that you can see on screen. By the way, is this the stock price of either or of the three? This is not the stock price of any of these stocks. It's the index price. Okay. So here we can see that there was a big drop of how much percent. Right from here, if I take it, it's almost a drop of 30+%. Then we have seen a very nice recovery, and now it's in the consolidation phase. Okay, now if I were to check that whether it is at a support level, well, this is where the support level could be, somewhere around this. If I were to join the previous resistance and now the supports, and very important point, if you were to check the tops, this is acting as a resistance level right now, correct? So you can very clearly see it took a resistance here, came down, which took a support here, again went up, came down, went up, came down, and it is very close to the resistance level right now. Question is, can it break out from here or could it reverse? If it were to break out, it has to be accompanied by something exciting. And what could be something exciting? Could it be something like corporate actions or what? And that's what exactly we're going to check out in the next sections of the video. Let's start with the AMC, which is HDFC AMC, and it's India's one of leading asset management companies. It acts as an investment manager for HDFC Mutual Fund, which is one of the largest mutual fund in India, which offers 98 mutual fund schemes. Now, for those who don't know what is exactly the business model for an AMC, let's understand it in a very simple way. Okay, let's say HDFC Mutual Fund, they'll float different schemes. Okay, now investors like you and me, people like you and me, we will choose some mutual fund for investment. We will give the funds to whom? We'll give the funds to the mutual fund company, or to the mutual fund basically. Who decides which shares to buy, when to sell is the fund manager, correct? But fund manager is belonging to which entity? It is the AMC. Okay, so asset management company basically manages the investments for the mutual fund, and for that they charge a fee. Okay, simple till here. Now, okay, we have understood what is the business model for HDFC AMC, but we need to understand what is the corporate action. We can see on screen that companies informed the stock exchanges, both BSE and NSE, that its board meeting is going to happen on the 15th of October 2025, that is tomorrow. And in that, they are going to consider Q2 FY26 financial results. Fair enough, but very important. There is a proposal to issue bonus equity shares, which is obviously subject to shareholders' approval. It's always, that's how it happens. First board approval and then shareholders approval. Of course, bonus ratio is not yet mentioned here, and record date is also not mentioned. So keep on watching the news as to what is the outcome of this board meeting. Now, understand what could be the two outcomes for the stock prices. We as students of stock market, we should understand this. Possibility number one, before the bonus news, if the stock has rallied sharply, there is a possibility that there could be some profit booking. Okay. Possibility number two, let's say the stock is in sideways trend, little bit up and down here and there, not a big deal. And then the news comes up and the news is extremely positive. In that case, the stock can rally further. Okay. So you as students of stock market, you have to track what happens before the corporate action and then what happens after the corporate action. Let's move on with the next stock, which is BSE. I don't think I need to tell you what BSE does. Bombay Stock Exchange is Asia's oldest stock exchange, and it provides a platform to trade. To trade what? To trade stocks, bonds, derivatives, whatever, other securities. Okay, so we know about this. Now, why have I considered this stock? Is there any corporate action here? The answer is no. What we are going to understand right now, whether there is something about technical analysis in this stock. Okay, right now, when I started the video, I did talk about a breakout where it was kind of an up flag pattern breakout. So if you remember, the index that we had drawn, it was dropping, then it recovered, and then you can, if you remember, it was something like this, and the stock was consolidating in this level, and then I said here there could be a possible breakout. Maybe we'll have to check that. Now we have to understand there could be one more type of breakout, and what could that be? Let's say the stock is in a downward trend. Okay, so basically signaled by lower highs and lower lows, correct? Now when could we witness a breakout? This is where we could witness a breakout. So there could be multiple possibilities. Breakout directly goes up. Possibility number 2, breakout, retest and bounce. And possibility number 3, it's not a breakout, it's a fake out, and it goes down from here. Okay, so what I want you all to do, you will have to go to Bombay Stock Exchange's daily chart. Okay, you have to choose the daily time frame. See whether you can see a similar structure here where you can see lower highs, lower lows, and then you have to tell me in the comment section BSE breakout or BSE fake out. Well, I hope you're enjoying the video till now. If you are, please don't forget to smash the like button. It makes me and the YouTube algorithm happier. And still, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do that as well. With that, let's move on with the third stock, with the C of our ABC of capital market, which is CAMS. I'm sure everyone knows CAMS is the registrar transfer agent of a lot of mutual funds in India. In fact, they command a market share of 68%. Now, what does the company typically do? It's like a record keeping agency for a lot of mutual funds. So just to give you a simple example, whenever you log into your mobile app through which, let's say, you are investing in mutual funds, and you get to know that, okay, you have invested in ABCD, whatever mutual funds, you have XYZ units of these mutual funds. Who is giving you that information? How many units of which mutual fund you have? It's actually that record keeping is done by companies like CAMS, which are registrar and transfer agents. So basically, these companies act as a bridge between whom and whom? Between the mutual funds and between the investors, because they are the ones who are doing the record keeping. But is that what they do? No, they are now expanding into newer and newer things. They're expanding into payment solutions through CAMS Pay. They're also going ahead with KYC, onboarding, with accounts aggregation, with insurance repository, and also NPS record keeping. But is that like their main forte? Answer is no. Like I told you, main forte is still acting as an RTA, because even today they are serving 26 of 50 fund houses in the industry, including 10 of the top 15 mutual funds. Question is, what is so special about this company right now? Is there any corporate action? Answer is yes. This happened after Friday market hours. I think around 6:30 in the evening, a news came up where they had done a filing with the relevant exchanges that they are going to announce. I mean, they have announced a stock split. Now, one equity share of 10 rupees face value will be split into 5 equity shares of 2 rupees face value. So, just in case, assume you have 10 shares of CAMS. Now, what will happen? You will get 5 shares for 1 share held. So, basically, your 10 shares will become 50 shares, but obviously the stock price will become 1/5. Okay, so why typically stock splits are done? Mainly to improve the liquidity, affordability, and mainly improve the retail participation in that stock. Question is, what is the record date? That is yet to be announced. So again, keep a track of that as to what is the record date. I hope you liked this short and sweet capital market ABC video. If you want me to do a video on any other specific theme, please let me know in the comment section. We'll be happy to do a video on that as well. Till then, take care, Jai Hind, and bye-bye. You might have come across such advertisements on various social media platforms. Please note, all of these are fraudsters promising unbelievable returns through stock tips. I don't provide any calls or advisory services. I provide only educational content through my social media handles and through my website rachanaranade.com and rachanaranade.in.